Transink is one of the cool residential area you can find in Onitsha environment. Recently, the dualization of some section of the road commenced, and today we want to go and see what is currently looking like. And this is my first time of visiting. Welcome to Transink, one of the cool and most expensive residential area you can find in Onitsha, Anambra State. If you are looking for a cool environment in Onitsha, you can as well check them out. Aside from housing estates, the Onitsha GRA, these are one of the places I can recommend. But the house is quite expensive, but they have spacious apartments, with POP and the rest of them. So we visited this particular place today, not to tour the entire area or show you any apartment within around, but we are actually here for the ongoing realization of their road, because they kind of have a bad road on this area, while some other sections have good road, but it still remains only but one lane. So today we are here to show you the dualization, and we happen to start from the back, and from the back we'll be heading to the front, from the entrance of the Transink. So this is where the road currently ends. This is where they are currently are, and nothing else has been done here except leveling of the ground. This is the signpost showing that is being done under the current government of Anambra State. And this is another route, and my back is another linked road again. So if I turn around right now, this is a straight road where we access this side from. So after showing you this angle right now, we're gonna be heading back to go and show you the remaining part, where the road currently stops, where the dualization and everything currently ends, and the asphalted and the stone base part of it. So this is what the gutter or the drainage system they have constructed on this area looks like. And from our visitation, the drainage system is looking okay, apart from it's still an open drainage system, not covered one. So from here you can see how everything is looking like. So leveling of ground still continue from here. So very soon you're gonna see where the demarcation currently ends. I think that is it. So that is where the demarcation currently ends, and at some point we start seeing where the stone base stops, and where the asphalted section also stop. And on this particular lane you can also see the popular NTA station. The NTA station is along this road, the one you can find in Onitsha. It's along this road, and that their entrance is called the NTA gates. I could not capture the gates, but people who knows there already know where I'm talking about, so I could not capture the gates. But I will show you from the Y junction, the road that is leading to the main gate, the one that is taking you to Bishop Shanahan University, to the Shanahan University, sorry. And they are the one that I'm currently it is straight, which is the Y junction. So, and I as well took out my time to also go and capture a few clip of the Shanahan University going on within this area too, though it's not a full video. I'm just clip is still under construction, so I capture some outside view of it, which you're gonna be seeing at the end of this video if you stick and watch the video to the end. So watch everything, and as we are going, I'll keep on explaining, and you keep on watching and see how everything is looking like. For now, this is the only dualizing sections for now. The other three axes from the main entrance gates down to the Y junction, if I may say, is not being dualized. Then by my right hand side, the one heading to the Shanahan University is not being dualized. The only place that is being dualized is the one coming to the NTA. axis. That's the one that is being dualized, and this is that is where we are currently at. So watch the video, and I'll keep on giving you more explanations and other things we find out when we visited this particular location. So we are currently at the popular NTA television station. They are the owners of that fence you are seeing right now. The fence with yellow and red paint together. So currently we are the the stone base area where they have done stone base already, but it's only on one section. The other side of it has not received any stone base at all. So this is where the stone base currently end at our back on these particular sections. And if you go front a little bit, you will see where the stone base ends from this angle, and the asphalted area commence from there down to the Y junction. While the other side of it, we also show you where the stone base also end, and the asphalted also continue from that area down. So the road is not that very wide, but it's okay. The road is very okay from what I'm seeing, and the drainage system also is very okay, except that there is still an old model type of what we are used to, and you know before and everything. So you're gonna be seeing everything for yourself. Just continue with the video, and don't forget to give us your take about everything. So this is where the asphalted area currently ends on this side of the road. Then the other side, the asphalted has not got into this axis. We also show you them by the time we get to that particular junction. So this is what you have for now concerning this particular area. So like we said earlier, this is the only place that has been dualized, and no place except here. The entrance gate is not being dualized. The other side of it, heading to Shanahan University, is not being dualized except these sections. If they will still dualize it, for now we have no idea. So but this is the only side we are showing you, and we also show you where they currently are, where it looks like it's a dead end, where they currently are, where the leveling of ground has just stopped. We show you at the beginning of this video, and we are heading towards where the asphalted, the dualization started. You're gonna be seeing everything on this video, and don't forget, stick to the end of this video so you see the glimpse view of the glimpse of the Shanahan University under construction. And if you want us to make a full video of the place, maybe you will try one day, and try, maybe if they will give us access, to go there and make a video. Currently the road inside the school is currently being asphalted. Some of them we see from the outside is currently being asphalted, so you're gonna see everything here. So this is where the realization started. The one I showed you now is the entrance from the NTA gate. That is where the realization started, and this angle will take you down to the Shanahan University, and just now you see the entrance of the Shanahan University, and this is just it. So this is how the Shanahan University is currently looking like. It's still under construction, so you can watch through and then tell us what you feel about the whole construction going on, from the video. Don't forget to drop them via the comment section, and as well, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to share to get to wider audience. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to support us. We really do appreciate your efforts towards the growth of our channel. So guys, thank you, and do have a wonderful day till we meet again in another video.